All right, I'm showing that Jacob's here and I'm here, and we're just about to get started, and the sun is setting. So this will be definitely a sunset ride.
Be a late night one.
So it should be good.
Yep.
Welcome.
All right, people, we're just getting started here. Check it out, sun's already set, like fully set. But that's okay. It's gonna be a really cool ride anyways. We're gonna have a good time. I wish I had like a camera mount somewhere, but I don't. I sure hope this is taking videos right now. Let's go check out the Ripper. That's JetSki, the Ripper, or the Rippenkroger replica, as he calls it. After a long day of working on jet ski stuff is what I did, and Jacob actually had to go to work, so he's ripping it up on the Ripper. I'll probably sound really dumb in the video.
Yeah, it's cool, man. It's cool.
I would have brought my helmet or my head cam thing. Well, that's all right. I'll ride one-handed for a little bit. But if he does anything crazy and I have to do like a wild maneuver, then I'll probably drop the camera in the water and just grab the bar. This one, if you guys are following along, there's a 5640 in there, and yeah, it runs pretty good, pretty quick, pretty fast. He just took a big old dink and dunk. Oh man, I'm already cold just thinking about it.
How fast does this thing go?
I think it goes about 45 miles per hour.
Seems like it's about the same as a super jet, maybe a little slower, maybe faster.
I wasn't like for real clocking you ever, but it was
around
about
45.
Yeah, I mean, if you want,
That's kind of what I thought.
if you want, let's just grab a smooth patch of water and check it.
Okay.
But it's getting all ripply out here now.
Yeah, we probably got to go towards shore.
Okay. Alright. Oh, dude, water on the camera. Let me wipe it off. Oh, that's better. checking it at some point here. I'm not sure if we're doing that right now or what we're doing. Not super smooth right here. It's hitting about 35 right now. 37, 36, 40. Looks like we're just heading into shore. I'm not sure why. Too sure what we're doing. Oh, I guess he's just giving me a little show, eh? He's just fooling around. Oh, I'll get my hand right in the way. That's perfect. Oh. Man, he's really going after it. I wonder if he's just trying to see if it'll break, and that's why he's so close to land. Well, not bad. Not bad.
Look to you.
Looked like you were going fast on that old thing.
Yeah.
You're turning up on the old Ripper.
Well, just you wait till I get my custom prop in that thing.
Is that like your new favorite build?
Well, the last few times it's been the ski I took out. It hasn't been super problematic once we got it dialed in. Seems like it probably leaks a little bit of water in, maybe around where the drive shaft bolts up. So I think that's the gripe about it, is I think it seeps water in and eventually it starts running like crap.
Oh.
Because there's water in there, but
you gotta get that fixed up.
that'll be a thing I do this weekend. Hopefully get that new prop in there. It's pretty good. It's not so fast. It's like, it's about the perfect amount fast for one of these skis.
Yeah, I'm hoping to get some work done on the 1300, and also I want to get that triple put into the Wave Raider, so we'll see.
You're gonna do that this weekend?
Well, I would like to, but the engine that I'm getting from Jason is probably gonna be the junky one, and I gotta go through it and make sure it's gonna be okay.
Well, I gotta go this weekend. I gotta work on my 13 Superjet. I gotta work on this, my 650 SX, and then we'll see after that.
Yeah.
But just trying to do all the easy stuff so that I can move on, get back into the 1200 Superjet.
And the Sea Rat.
Yeah, I haven't even thought about that thing in about a year, so.
Well, we're gonna have to get that out pretty soon.
Yeah. Who's gonna ride it?
I guess I'll do it.
Yeah.
Because, halfly mine, I suppose.
Yeah, it is. That's your ski. That's how you're gonna get good at riding stand-ups.
Well,
you're gonna start out his first stand-up, the 1100 Sea Rat.
Yeah, I've never owned a stand-up before, and I own half of one, and it's the Savage Sea Rat.
Yep. He's gonna get good on there.
It's like just jumping into the fire.
Yep.
That thing's a handful, to say the least.
You'll smoke the 30 plus class on that thing.
Yeah. All right. So, you want to tell them to watch all our other crappy videos, or just?
Nah.
Nah.
Well, go ahead and like this one.
Oh yeah, you can like this one if you want.
And then share it with a friend.
And if
Share it with a friend.
And if you're the guy who dislikes all of our videos, can you just write a comment and be like, I'm the guy, so we can just know who it is?
Is there a guy that dislikes all our videos?
There seems to be someone who goes through and dislikes everything.
Does that matter?
No, it doesn't matter. I just kind of wonder why, you know? That's all.
Oh yeah, come on, man. Tell us what you're thinking, you know? Just, you know, we're here to talk.
Yeah.
And if anybody wants to comment about this though, does anybody want me to like put some mat on here, or should I just leave it? You guys can say that below too. Should I just leave it?
Do you want me to say right now, or?
Well, you can say, but they should say too.
I don't know what he should do. I kind of like the roadkill look that it has.
Yeah. I feel like I'm riding this thing okay, pretty okay. I remember when I first got one of these things, I was so bad at riding it, but I think I'm all right at this now.
I would say.
Because this is like the hardest ski to ride apparently, but I don't really have too much trouble on it.
Oh, okay. I didn't think it was the hardest ski to ride.
What do you mean? What do you think's the hardest ski to ride?
The Sea Rat.
Yeah. Well, if that was stock, it would not be the hardest.
Okay, well, stock for stock, but that's not stock either. So.
Well, I mean, if you're saying hull, hardest hull.
Oh, I see. A 550 hole, yeah. Or a J.
I
What
mean,
do they call those? Like the JS holes?
Yeah, this is JS.
Because obviously there's the 440s and 300s.
Yeah. Well, I mean, yeah, I had something.
All right, sweet.